Hey guys, it's Riya and welcome back to my channel. So by the title of the video, you know that this is a review on St.Botanica Biotin and Collagen Hair Mask. Now St.Botanica hair products are the best. Their skin products are not as good as their hair products. Their hair products are like supremely high quality and they contain so many good botanical ingredients and pure oils and all of that. So I've tried another deep conditioning hair mask by St.Botanica in the past, which was their Moroccan Argan hair mask, and that worked really well for my hair. It deep conditioned my hair and just made it so manageable, which is why I bought this in the first place and I wanted to try it out. So I got this from Amazon. I will leave the link in the bottom bar. This claims to richly, deeply nourish your hair to make your hair stronger, fuller and thicker. And I tried this for the first time this morning in the shower and I'm going to share my entire experience of using this product. So this is the condition of my hair before washing, and as you can see my hair looks pretty dry, rough and frizzy, and there is just no shine in my hair. It looks very dull and lifeless. So I'm going to repair all of that using St.Botanica Biotin and Collagen Deep Conditioning Hair Mask. But before I begin, I'm just washing my hair to get rid of any oil and dirt that's sitting on my scalp, and then I'm going to wash my hair with some normal temperature water. Make sure you don't use hot water because that's just going to strip off the natural moisture from your hair. And after washing my hair, I'm just removing the excessive water from my hair so that the hair mask does not get diluted. And now I'm using the St.Botanica Biotin and Collagen hair mask. It's a very deep conditioning mask, and as you can see I've not even used this once. It is seal packed, so I'm opening it right in front of you, and that is how it looks like. It's white and it's so thick in consistency and it smells amazing. So I'm taking a little bit of it and applying it to the lengths of my hair from the roots to the tips. Make sure you only apply it to the lengths of your hair and not on your scalp because it's not meant for your scalp. In case you do apply it on your scalp, then it's going to have a reverse effect on your hair, and instead of repairing the damage and making your hair frizz free, it's actually going to cause more damage, which in turn will cause more hair fall. So only apply it to the lengths of your hair. I'm taking a little bit more for the tips of my hair because that's where it gets the most frizzy and dry. If you have split ends and you do want to apply some extra product onto the tips of your hair, so I'm just going to wait for about 5 minutes for the hair mask to work its magic on my hair and then wash it off using some normal water. Make sure you use only normal temperature water and not hot water because that's gonna rip off the moisture that we just provided to the hair. So after washing your hair, you just want to let it air dry for a bit, and then you will have the most beautiful, silky, smooth, shiny hair which will be frizz free for a really long period of time. I loved my first time experience of using this product and I'm definitely going to use it a lot more times. So you saw the results for yourself, and by comparing the before and after, there is a huge difference in the texture of my hair and how my hair looked. So I absolutely love this hair mask from the first use itself. This is free from parabens, sulfates and mineral oil. These are a few things that I always look out for in my products. I make sure that they are free from all of these harmful chemicals, and this contains all pure oils. So it contains some amazing ingredients like collagen, biotin, vitamin E, avocado cold pressed oil, Moroccan Argan cold pressed oil, lactic acid, peppermint oil, oats extracts, etc. And this retails for rupees 1299 for 300 ml of product. The price is a little bit high, but you have to consider the fact that they give you 300 ml in this tub, which is a very huge quantity. I absolutely love this hair mask from the first use itself, and I just love St.Botanica hair products. They are my holy grail hair products and I can trust this brand blindly for all of their hair products. So I love the experience of using this product on my hair today, and I highly recommend this hair mask to any one of you all out there who suffer from frizzy hair, dry hair, rough hair, even after conditioning. So this is a very good deep conditioning hair mask and you can use it on a regular basis after every time that you shampoo your hair. So yes, that was my review on St.Botanica Biotin and Collagen hair mask. I absolutely love this product and I do recommend you all try it out. So yes, that was my video for today. If you enjoyed watching it, please give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Also, if you want me to review any other products, then leave your video requests in the comment section below. I'll definitely review them for you all. So yes, with that, it's a wrap for today. This is Riya signing off. Goodbye.